In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset Royal Match game. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to open up a Royal Match. Then from here, click on the gear icon. You notice I'm level 22 here. So click on the gear icon. Now you want to go ahead and save your progress before we sign out. So click on save your progress, and then it'll say sign in to save your progress. So click on the sign in button. In my case, it's going to say sign out, so don't worry about that. And now once you have signed in with Google, oh, here we go here, so sign in with Google, then choose your account, and it's going to say sign in, so click continue. Then from here, go ahead and click on to save your progress, and now we want to go ahead and sign out. So click on the sign out, click yes, then it'll say signed out from Google, and then close your game completely, and then reopen up Royal Match. Now once we open up Royal Match, if you still got your level here, we need to go ahead and click onto Royal Match app. So let me get out of this again. Alright, so what we want to do is click and hold down Royal Match, click on the eye for app info, scroll down, click on the storage. I want to go ahead and clear data, click delete. Now it's going to clear your login information. So from here, open up Royal Match. And now once we are inside the game, you should be starting at level 1. Alright, if you're still getting level 22, that's okay. What we can do here is click on the gear icon again, and then click on to save your progress, and then sign in with Google or Facebook. But now choose an account that you don't have a game account with. So I'm going to choose another Google account of mine. So I'm just signing with another Google account. I'm going to click agree. And then you can see there, we're now level 1. So that's basically how to reset your game by using another Google account or another Facebook account.